Who's going to set it up?
Me. Scissors.
How excited are you guys?
A million.
What about Ved? $1,100,000? Oh wow, that's a big number. Hello everyone. This is the Prism frame premium pool set by Intex. It's 12 foot by 30 inches and it's 2 feet deep. We are going to install it in our backyard. So this is where we are going to put our pool. We measured a 12 feet diameter and we are trying to clean this area and level it.
Hi, I'm cleaning all the grass away.
To remove the grass over here, we are just using the old way of using a shovel and digging out the grass, and then using the wheelbarrow we are just putting it away. Ved is helping us cleaning the bed and removing all the sharp rocks, making sure it doesn't puncture our pool when it's set up. So whole team is working together on trying to set up this pool. Here comes Athar with his wheelbarrow for another load of this sod. Now he is going to wheel it and put it away. We're almost done. 3/4 of the circle is done almost, and we will just level it using some sand and dirt, and then we will set up the pool here. Hardest part is taking out this grass. As you can see, we have to put a lot of pressure on the shovel to make a V and then try to dig that out. To show you up close how it's being done. So you make a V and then try to dig it up. There are some machines that can be used to do but because of COVID-19 we are just using the equipments that we have at home and doing the old-fashioned way.
Whoa, you're almost done.
Yeah, this is the last piece, and then our ground
You gotta be kidding me.
is leveled. Too much hard work gone behind this. It's 12.
Done?
It's done. It's 12 feet wide circle.
I thought it was 12 foot diameter.
Yeah, the 12 feet diameter.
Yep.
This area has been cleared. Now my boys are going to help me with removing the rocks, and then we are going to level it.
And then build the pool.
Then build the pool. To use. Now we're trying to level this
I
ground
think I need to get my gloves.
and using this level and a piece of wood, making sure that the bubble is in the middle, and then adjusting and filling in the gaps
And also, I have
with dirt and some sand. So our ground over here looks like this is on a higher ground, and this side, as you can see, there is a lot of gap, and now we are trying to fill this and make it level. We'll use some sand and then just dump it and then go in circle and try to just level that up. Trying to fill in all the low areas here. Continuing with our leveling task. This is the lower ground for us, and this is the high ground. Trying to just level that so we have water distribution evenly, and it's not going to be perfect, but we will try to make it as level as we can. Set up the pool. I think a few centimeters or maybe couple of inches here and there would be okay for our first time pool setup. We'll see how much better we can do. Opening another bag of sand. This is our second bag. I think we need more on this side. This is still low ground. I think this should do. Good job. So the ground is now almost level. We are going to lay down this tarp at the base. This did not come with the pool set. We ordered it online separately, just to have more sturdiness and making sure that our pool has a good base and it's nothing sharp in the ground that will damage the pool. So we are just going to lay it down and then put the pool on top.
No. A few more days until we can swim in it, but we're getting it ready. We're almost done. Okay. Sure. Now, we have already laid the turf and the pool. Now we're going to start building it.
Building the frame to hold it up.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but we'll start filling it with water tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because anyways, it's almost sunset. But I didn't fill it. With water, and then we're gonna add the chlorine. Which kind of water? That water? Any kind of water, but then we need to add chlorine to make the water stay fresh. Okay? It also kills your water. But you need to wash it off once you're done taking. And that water. Because if you use all water, probably gonna take a dip which lasts at least 1 hour each day. Unless it's raining or snowing.
The pool setting up is really easy. First we just put this round rod through the sleeve, and then the slender one, which is the support or the leg, we just put it in this connector.
Like that?
It goes the opposite way, and then it's starting to take the shape. A little bit more is left.
No, other way, Pedro.